Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to become an automation tester without IT background. So it's very important to know that how you can become an automation tester if you are not from an IT background. So the very first thing what you need to understand is what is automation testing. So automation testing is the process of testing softwares and other tech products to ensure it meets strict requirements. Essentially, it's a test to double check that the equipment or software does exactly what it was designed to do. It tests for bugs, defects, and other issues that can arise with product development. So, in short, the automation testing is a process where we test software before releasing it for the real time use. So, the phase is like when we build a particular website or when we build a particular software, it's like development process. And before making it live, it goes to different testing process. That's just we check that everything is based on our requirement and it's perfectly designed or not. That's what automation testing is. Now, next thing, why automation testing? So test automation is the best way to increase the effectiveness, test coverage, and execution speed in software testing. Automated software testing is important due to following reasons. Manual testings of all workflows, all fields, all negative scenarios is time and money consuming. It's difficult to test for multilingual sites manually. Now you see, manual testing workflow is difficult. Again, multilingual tests is not possible in case of manual. Again, the test automation in software testing does not require human intervention. You can run automated tests unattended. So basically here, you don't need to go and work as a human. Here, basically the code comes into use. So the automation process is performed through code. So here, basically everything is through coding. Now, test automation increase the speed of test execution. So automation helps increase test coverage. And manual testing can become boring and hence error prone. So you need to know that why automation testing, because you have to, before using it in real time or before making it into your practice, just you have to understand about it. So it's like in this points, it's quite clear that manual testing make life difficult or it's a longer process. In fact, it's not suitable for long term. So that's why we go for automation testing. Now, what does software tester do? The software tester, basically, it says the job of software tester is to test, your job is to test, to run various manual and automated tests to guarantee that any new software created by developer is error-free. To fully understand the scope of project, the software tester needs to collaborate with varieties of stakeholders, including developer, project support teams, and system users. So this is the job that we are going to do. Basically, if you see this job, you'll be doing throughout the process. You will connect to the teams, different team members, and just perform your testing process. Software tester handles troubleshooting, document bugs, gives developer comments, and share their results with both technical and non-technical stakeholders. So basically, if you see software tester is one of the most important section in a work profile, where a software tester connects with each and every team members and perform all tasks accordingly. So they play important role because to make a project live, we need to connect with the software tester. Now, what are the tips for non-IT to get started in software testing field? So basically, here are a few tips that I'll give you that if you are from non-IT background, how will you start your software testing field? First, you have to switch your career. So switching your career is never easy, especially when you are from different and specified academic qualification is needed as a breakthrough. There are lots of people who are switching towards software testing these days. For an individual from a non-IT background entering into professional that is majorly inclined towards technology is difficult. The reason why most of the students are turning toward the software testing field is because of global outreach, monitoring benefits, and comes as a real dynamic field with constant growth and innovations. So basically, switching your career is never easy. First thing is that the reason behind why we are trying to switch, because of the benefits, because of the constant growth and innovations. So basically, now this is the reason why we are shifting from non-IT background to IT background. Now, the tips to take the final decision that how will I switch or why shall I switch to this section? First, know your field, know the market of whatever the technology you are learning or whatever the testing fields you are learning, get a complete knowledge, get the salary structure, get the challenges, what you are going to face, get idea of everything. Second, see what programming language, how much of programming is required. Is it fitting your portfolio or not? Are you capable of doing that? Study about that programming language, see how difficult it's to learn or how easy it's to learn. So you plan that way. After that, think about a certification. Think to get certification in certain field so that that certification will help you to get job further. Now, define your reasons is the last thing what you come across is companies usually look for QA tester engineers to have a degree or certification in testing fields. So you know that we are doing these all tasks just to get a job in IT industry. That's all. And just to get job, you need certifications and degree in these sections. Now, the training details, what exactly you'll get in this training. The goal behind doing automation testing training is to equip individual with necessary skills and knowledge to effectively and efficiently and effectively automate software testing process. Automation testing involves using specified tools and frameworks to execute pre-scripted test case, compare actual outcomes with expected results, and generate detailed reports. So the goal behind doing this training is to learn skills, to understand these frameworks, how it works, as well as write the test cases and get the results, and at last get a report of all the results, test cases that we are doing. So that's what you'll be learning in training, and that's what will make you more efficient in your skills and get ready for your job. Now, what we are basically going to learn in this automation testing training. So you learn basics of Java, you learn about the OOPS concept. You know, Java is the programming language that's required for running a Selenium tools. So you learn the basics of that. You learn about the OOPS concept. You learn about Selenium's introductions, installations, Selenium elements and commands. Again, you learn about the GitHub. You will see how GitHub is integrated with Eclipse. Hand-on practice, learn different websites where you will be using Selenium after learning it. Once you are familiar with that, then you will start using TestNG. Again, you will get an idea of TestNG installation. There you will talk about data-driven testing. That's one of the most important aspects of training. Once you are familiar with the TestNG knowledge, then you will move to another testing tool that is Cucumber. So now here you see if you are adding how many knowledges to your training. First, you are getting a programming language that is Java, then a tool, Selenium, then a frameworks of that Selenium tool that is TestNG, again, a different testing tool that is Cucumber. Once you are done with Cucumber, then we will talk about Jenkins. You'll see the installation purpose. You'll see the introduction of Jenkins. We'll try to run some Selenium codes on Jenkins. So you see, you're getting lots of things in this training sessions. You'll cover most of the important parts that's usually asked in interviews, and that's needed for a tester to perform testing. Now, these are the measured schedules, basically modules, you say. Basically, Java programming is one of the modules. Seleniums are one module. TestNG, Cucumber, GitHub, and Jenkins. And at last, real-time projects are also one of the major modules that we will focus on usually in this training process. Apart from this, you will get live project. Will help you to build your portfolio for your jobs. Now, how can we help to become an automation tester? So here we'll give you the programming language. We'll give you projects to work on. We will give you the information of frameworks, as well as you will get experience. You can collaborate with experienced testers. Basically, we have different team members with whom you can work. You can get that experience. You can build your certificates. You can build your portfolios. And at last, you will get job opportunities as well. So remember, before becoming a proficient automation tester, it takes time. Be patient, practice regularly, and keep refining your skills. With dedication and persistence, you can succeed in your journey to become an automation tester. So apart from what I provide from my side, you need to be patient. You need to do your job sincerely. And then at some point, you will get a job easily. Now, apart from this, you'll have interview and placement support sessions from our team. So a team of the team of people will help you with your resume buildings. They will help you with the placement supports, where to apply for. We will conduct few mock interviews for you so that you get a real-time experience of interviews, how it's going to be. You will get idea of that as well. Again, we'll help you with the placement supports. If you come across any difficulties during the time of placement, we will provide mentorship for that as well. So you'll get these all supports you'll get from our side, usually from our team members, to build yourself to get a job. Apart from this Selenium, or apart from automation testing, we are doing trainings in these fields as well. So as you know, we are in this field from last 10 years. So we are good with these sections as well. So if you are interested in taking trainings in any other sections apart from automation testing, can call us on this number. Apart from this, you can drop email to this email address that's mentioned here. You can watch our website to get more information about our trainings. And if you have any questions, just send queries to this email address. And if you are okay with all the information, then you can book a demo from our side and get more detailed information about all the trading process. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.